Hi guys, it's look. I'll show my team in some other video, so I'll get myself a challenge to survive this impossible tire. What I don't remember the number, but I have to survive this challenge. Mostly I lose. I mean, like network's not good here, but I hope it will be. Let's see. Dream League Live. Okay, good team. Oh well, I lost four. He won four. Well, I have to win this somehow. This is 2022. This is odd, but 21 doesn't seem that little too, not so much. How can we just leave it? The goalkeeper would have caught it. That was close, man. That was really close encountering. Why? He's offside, actually. But never mind, I scored. It was actually offside, being actually telling you the truth. Come on, that's totally a free kick. Bang. Oh, come on. Good play. Mohamed Salah plays it well. No, 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 no. Ruined it, man. Come on. Why everybody's mess is so good? But I'll try winning this game. Philip Coutinho, De Vrij. Usually no one would have came that forward so quickly. No, 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 not a counter. It stopped. Now my counter is on. Then yes, chance, chance, chance. Goal. If I score another, he'd mostly forfeit, I think. But let's just see it. Van Dyke. Come on now. Anyone can stop it. Oh no. What's the matter with this defense? This is the best defense. Good save. Ronaldo. Chance. Come on. Would be foolish enough. No. No, 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 no. Hey, man. Please, please, please don't score. Fine. I saved it. Oh, chance, 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 chance. If he regains, it's a chance. You chance. What? It's the goalkeeper would have caught it in real life, but who knows? What? No. Score it, score it, score it, Messi. Yes. He'll forfeit. Yep. Told ya. Now, if I win another game, then I'll survive it. Okay. Here it goes. Both are white. This could confuse anyone. I mean, like, he's got one forward. My team has stripes on its sides. That's a little, magical. But this, how can they do this? This is white totally, man. This man's totally white. My socks are white. His are black. That's one difference I find. Only difference, mostly, actually. Let's hope this is a counter. Let's hope this is a counter, man. I hope. Regain it, man. Please, please, please. Ramos. Okay, Turn back. Come on. I'll score it. Try it. Distance shot. Oh! It was just the unlucky shot. I'll block it. Two chance? No. Phew, good. At least I have a chance here. Sandro. Come on. Oh no. Deviate sprint. Deviate sprint. Deviate sprint. Martinez, do something. Do something. Do something. Do something. Do something. No. De Bruyne scores. No, he doesn't. Until now. But let's hope I defend it well. Or I'll just agitate away. Oh, I thought I'd regain it. Like a bicycle kick and shoot it to my goalie. No, not this time. Come on. It's not that fast. It would go to the goalkeeper. Oh, not now. Sheesh. Boys is tough. Defending corner is some serious stuff. Oh, no, not now. Phew. I got it away. No way. How could this happen? No, 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 no. Phew. Hopeful. This match is a little confusing. I just can't get who are mine and who are his. I don't get it. How does he get it? Is he a robo or something? Oops. Oh, why? If Ramsey got it, it would have been in because he's right-footed. It's easy for them to score. Or Manolas could have scored it. Manolas is good at scoring such a goal, in my view. Fine, I need to score one goal to get it into extra time and two goals to win. Let's hope I do though. Wait a minute. Pulisic and Perisic are better. Neymar, quickly man. I need to do it. Last second. Phew. Good. What? Oh, good, good, good. This is good. Not that good, but he'll change. Now I have to get it back. Phew. That's not. Let's do it something. Do something. Do something. Score it. Score it. Save. Header. Oh, come on. How can the goalkeeper stop it? Maybe I should have just left it. At least I'll get a corner. Or what? Ooh, this is interesting. The goalkeeper to take the offside kick. De Bruyne comes and Ramsey stop it. No. Tony Kroos, Bernardo Silva, Sandro. Come on, this is not good. I'm gonna get agitated. Someone run back. Phew. Defense backward. Ah, come on, this is really not fair. This Ghana. How well I do against it. Audibly, no. Phew, outside. I say it's good. Okay. Come on. Why did he do it? It was an amazing goal. Unless Ederson came in the way. It could easily go in like that. Good, 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 good. Messi run, Messi run, Messi run. Yep, it's his ball. I have a chance, the only chance mostly. No way. Firstly, this is like camouflage. Secondly, how does he do this? Christian Pulisic, player Rainbow. Oh no, I lost it. No, phew. Oh, chance. I'll try a look. Hopefully, pass it to Neymar. Goal! Phew, equalizer. What do you do? I guess extra time, 1-1. Last second goal. That's a turning point in this game, and great for me. Neymar scored it amazingly for me. Last minute, have to defend it. Regain it, please don't do anything at another. Not now. I'll tackle it. Oops! No. No, no, no. Oh! Phew! That was a life saving moment. Full time. But I regitated away, man. Let's hope I have another chance. Oh, I have. I have. Okay. It's been some time. I hope I win this game. If I do, I'll survive somehow. Ugh. Why is it always me, the unlucky guy? Okay, this team is not in form. I am not in. Like last two games were good, but the last third one I lost. At least it's not camouflage like I can recognize my players easily. Thank you. Anyone would take that. No. Yes, 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 yes. I went to Van Dijk. Yes, chance, chance, chance. The oh. Okay, goalkeepers can do something sometimes. I mean, I like being a goalkeeper. Sometimes it's a little annoying. Sometimes it's good. I guess they tend to be a little annoying sometimes, but who chance, 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 I'll score it this time, man. Oh, I have to pass it. No. Okay, fine, I have to. No! Wait. I could have scored it in. It would be too easy, not now. I'll block the pass. Okay. He'll substitute mostly. So, quick question for you guys. In the flag you see from his face near the comment in the comment box which country's flag is it of my opponent because I'm Indian, you get it. And so hit the like and subscribe button. What are you waiting for? If you already have, so thank you, but now I have to win the game. If his network goes, I guess it would be a little good, a little bad. Oh, this is a chance. I won't waste it. I wouldn't waste. Yep, I won't make one mistake twice. So, 8 minutes. I have got them. So, the first half is technically of 53 minutes. Okay, this is wrong. Oh, so that's what he was doing all along. And I survived. Thank you guys. And it's at 12. So bye guys, and thank you for seeing this team. So now, bye.